Radhastami is coming up, and let's talk about Sri Radha so we can get in the mood. So what is the mood of Radhastami? Well, to understand Radha's love is difficult because it's so pure. How pure is her love? Only if Krishna is happy is she happy. What about us? A lot of things make us happy, even at the cost of other people's suffering. We don't really know what love is. Radharani is the embodiment of love. She shows us what love is. We get love from her. She's the ocean of compassion, the ocean of mercy. Through her, satisfying her, we get Krishna. I think one of the beautiful meditations for Radhastami is just to meditate on what love is, as personified in Radharani, because we really don't know. We don't have experience of it in this world. And Radharani has so much love for Krishna that Krishna is controlled by Radharani. That's why she's called Param Ishwari, or Madan Mohan Mohini. Parameshwari, the controller of who? The Ishvara, or the enchanter of Cupid, but she enchants the enchanter of Cupid. And so Krishna is totally controlled by her, which means love controls everything and everyone, even God. And when we have love, even we control Krishna. And our goal is to get a drop of the dust of Radharani's feet, a drop of that love. And she's very willing to give it to those who want it, who pray for it, and who qualify themselves for it. In Gaudiya Vaishnavism, Radha reigns supreme, even over Krishna. The goal of the Gaudiya Vaishnavas is to serve Radha humbly, and by her service to get the grace of Krishna. When I first became a devotee, I actually had hair, believe it or not. Kind of big. And so as I was being shaved up, the devotee was saying, right now, Radharani is pointing out to Krishna that this devotee, this person has become a devotee, and she's asking Krishna, will you give your blessings to him? Will you accept him? Will you show you her mercy? This is 1969. Brand new devotees telling me this. And saying that if Radha tells Krishna to accept you, Krishna will accept you. He must accept you. He has to accept you. He cannot say no to Radha. So if you get Radharani's mercy, if she recommends you to Krishna, Krishna cannot refuse. And Prabhupada said, you ask Radharani, please recommend me to your Krishna. So that's our prayer in Radhastami, that Radha, please recommend me to your Krishna. You control him, you own him. What can I do to serve you? Bless me with a drop of love that you have. Bless me with a drop of compassion that you have. Now, to try to understand Radha's love for Krishna pretty much is inconceivable in our present condition. And ultimately, we can only understand it by developing a little drop of that love. And so now, all we can do is pray, be inspired, that someday I will get her mercy, and by her mercy, I can develop love for Krishna. Srila Prabhupada ki jai, Jai Sri Radhe.